Planning, okay. Now when you talk about planning, there are certain limitations of planning. The first planning is uncertain future. Now, for example, Mr. A wanted to give board examination. Now he decided that he wants 70 percentage marks in his board. So the plan is that he wants 70 percentage marks. Now, is there any surety that he will get 70 percentage marks? Sometimes he will get more than 70 percentage, or he may get less than 70 percentage. So the future is uncertain. You have set goals. Sometimes you will be able to achieve, or sometimes you may not be able to achieve the goal, because the future is uncertain. Anything can help in the future, right or wrong? Second, expensive process. Now in a company, you want to create a plan, right? Now you want to create a plan in a company. For that you require CEO, right? CFO, right? Managers, right? And different kind of experts. Now these people take high salary. Now if these people are taking high salary, it is very expensive, right or wrong? Because these people are going to prepare plan for the company, but these people are going to take high salaries. Sometimes CEOs are taking crores of rupees. Okay, if I talk about the CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai, he is taking around 700 crores just to plan. So planning is an expensive process for big companies. Time consuming. Now CEO, CFO, managers, expert, this all will come together and prepare a plan. Don't you think it will take high amount of time? Yes, it will take high amount of time. Okay. Fourth one, planning is irrelevant. Now planning is irrelevant means planning creates a plan that you want 70 percentage. Now there are certain people who do not plan but still get 70 percentage. So planning is irrelevant. That means वो चीज़ बहुत काम की नहीं है. आप प्लानिंग नहीं करोगे और मेहनत करोगे तो भी फिर भी आप गोल्स अचीव कर सकते हो. Clear? Next one, external factors. Now when you talk about external factors, what do you understand by the term external factors? Now planning in a company can fail because of external factors. That means it can fail because of pestle. External factors means pestle. Your planning or your company's planning can fail because of political environment, economical environment, social environment, technological environment, environmental factors, and legal. So any company's planning can fail because of external factors that are called as pestle. Last one, employees creativity. Now planning reduces employees creativity. How does planning reduce employees creativity? It is a very simple thing. Okay. Plan has been prepared, what employees have to do. Now employees are only going to do this thing, right? Whatever has been given in the plan. So employees don't have to think anything, and they have to blindly follow the plan. Whatever has been given in the plan, they have to follow. Employees don't have to think anything new. And if they are not thinking anything new, their creativity has been hindered, or their creativity is less.